Alright, guys, hey, what's going on? Today's Saturday, February 2nd, and I'm sorry, I know I did one of these last week already, and I try to stick to doing one every couple, 3 to 4 weeks, but I was so impressed, so excited to see what Moviepass has done for me this weekend. It's Saturday. Normally, Saturdays are, you get your 2 movies, 3 movies, and they cycle through, but let's look what's going on today. Okay, they give me a crap showing on Bumblebee at this one, but look, Bumblebee, Escape Room, Glass, Green Book's still out for some reason, obviously because of nominations and all that. Mary Poppins Returns, Miss Bala, On the Basis of Sex, Ralph Breaks the Internet, Serenity, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, The Kid Who Would Be King, The Mule, The Upside Down. I've already seen Bohemian Rhapsody. Apparently, they've got a free solo experience in Glass. That's probably their special IMAX showings or something. I'm sure, trying to get me to upgrade, I guess. But I do the 3 movies a month, basically just what's in the app. $9.95 is based on my location. But look at all these. You can go to another one, A Dog's Way Home, Star is Born, Can You Ever Forgive Me, Dragon Ball, Super, Glass, Green Book, Second Act, Spider-Man, Stan and Ollie, The Kid. Look how I've never seen this many offerings, and it's not just one showtime. I mean, yeah, they're later in the day, obviously. I mean, it's a movie, but who's gonna go to a movie at 10 a.m.? But like, let's be real. But look at that. I've never even heard of some of these, like Bohemian Rhapsody sing along already. Um, I, I've never seen this many. I don't. This is my, and the reason why I wanted to do this video too is because this is my first month. Yesterday was my first day that threw me into the new pricing plan, even though it stayed the same for me. It was the new version of how they do it. You're stuck to the app, or if you upgrade to the 14.95, they got the 3 plans now: Select, All Access, and Red Carpet. I've got the Select one, like I said, 9.95 for 3 movies, based on what the app will allow me to go see. Now, if you upgrade that to the All Access 14.95, you're going to be able to go, I think, see any movie at any time. I think. What they're shown. Now, the Red Carpet, same thing as the All Access, but you're going to be allowed to go see special ones like that are in IMAX or a special 3D showing. But look at all these movies. Normally, Movie Pass has always just been giving me 2. If I was lucky, I had 4 movies. And I sure as heck didn't have all the showtimes available. Typically, it's kind of like going to where was that first one? The Bumblebee one. That was typically what you usually saw, like 1 or 2 showtimes too. But for them to give me all these offerings, I'm sorry, I had to do another video. Like I said, it's February 2nd. Since I was on a weird at the end of the month, I guess. I know in 2019 they were going to do their new plans and all that, but I was still stuck, I think, on the last one until this month. And then, of course, you can come up here and you can see my account details. I've got 3 movies left in my billion cycle, and yeah, anyway, so that's pretty awesome. Way to go, Redbox. Redbox, man, you guys, way to go, Moviepass. You're killing Redbox, actually, I think. But nonetheless, this is awesome. This is cool. I know a lot of you have started to cancel. I stuck on just because I didn't really, it was $10. As long as I saw 1 movie a month, I was cool with it, and that's kind of been my average. But now I'm kind of interested to go see other things because you just couldn't see things, and there were months that were, oh gosh, and it was October time frame, November. Those movies either were Independence or they were just crap movies. You just couldn't see anything, and sometimes there were just no movies. So I know that they're trying to do some spin-offs with this stuff. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I hope that this keeps going because this is awesome. It would I'm happy with the 9.95. Just let me pick. If you guys keep doing this, I'm happy with it forever. I have a feeling it's probably not going to be that way because if you guys are watching this, you're obviously probably Movie Pass members, and seeing what's going on. Check it out. Stick with it. Just hold on there. Maybe they're onto something. It's a new year. They maybe get some new funding. I know that's what they kind of been pushing for, because AMC's their A list has really been killing it. I said in another video they were expecting 500,000 subscribers at the end of their quarter, and they ended up coming with 600,000. So you can tell a lot of those people are probably Moviepass goers and knew of the subscription programs and started doing their research. I know you've got Cinemia, whatever that's called, AMC A List. Of course, I don't have any of those. I could probably maybe do Cinemia, but I haven't heard really good things about that one, so I stuck with Moviepass just because it's what I first got with. And when I did first come on, it was $7.95. I mean, how could you go wrong? Even $9.95, really. As long as you're seeing one movie a month, that is paying for my movie alone. And of course, Jesus, Movie Pass is the one that's doing. They're paying the full movie ticket price. So you're going to see 3 movies. They're obviously upside down. So again, is this too good to be true? I have a feeling it probably is. I don't know how long it'll last. I hope it goes on. But anyway, just wanted to follow up with that. I was super happy this morning. I looked up Saturday. I see they do this crap on probably like a Tuesday or Wednesday, but for a Saturday, way to go, Movie Pass. Congratulations. Thank you for finally making a happy customer out of me, like a full happy customer. So wanted to share that with you guys. And as always, go check out my other Movie Pass videos if you want to see updates as we go every few weeks. I kind of do the same thing, showing you guys what's out there, seeing if it's worth it. And but yeah, if you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up. If you thumbs down it, you suck. But nonetheless, thanks for watching. But yeah, thumbs up it if you like it. Hit that subscribe button if you want. And glad you guys are coming back, and hopefully you're sticking with it. And yeah, do a video a day for a year showing you the YouTube process, seeing if we can make it. Hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and hopefully this video will help it out. So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys.